In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the transparency of an image using the format options in your favorite document editor. Whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or a creative design project, understanding how to manipulate image transparency can enhance your work by allowing you to integrate images seamlessly into your content. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to have your document open and the image you wish to alter already placed in your document. This could be in a slide, a Word document, or any platform that provides format options for images. Once you have your image selected, you'll need to access the Format Options sidebar. This is typically found by right-clicking on the image and selecting Format Options from the menu that appears. Alternatively, you might locate this option in the toolbar at the top of your interface, depending on the software you're using. Now that you have the Format Options sidebar visible, your next task is to find the Image Options section. This section is where you'll manage various aspects of your image, including its transparency. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry. It's usually prominently marked, often as part of a drop-down menu that includes size adjustments or visual effects. Once you've located the image options, scroll down through the menu items. You'll discover a slider labeled Transparency. This is your tool for adjusting how see-through your image will appear. By moving the slider to the left, you'll decrease transparency, making the image more opaque. Conversely, sliding it to the right will increase transparency, causing the image to blend more into its background or become nearly invisible depending on how far along you move the slider. Be mindful that even subtle adjustments can have a powerful visual impact. So take your time to find the setting that best complements your overall design. In some software versions, you might not see a transparency slider. Don't worry, there's another option available. Look for an opacity setting instead. This functions just like the transparency slider, letting you adjust how solid or see-through your image is within the document. The adjustment process works the same way. Increasing opacity makes the image more solid, while decreasing it lets the background show through more. Remember to preview your changes as you adjust the transparency or opacity to ensure the image fits perfectly within your document layout. This approach will help you maintain a professional and polished look in whatever content you're creating. With these tips, you can effortlessly integrate images into your project in a way that feels harmonious and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.